Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is well today. So this is new is simulation session. So we have data from this date to this date, and I selected both in my random calendar dates website. So let's get the dates. So February 7, 2025. This is a very good date. 7 February 2025. Simulation February 7, 2025. Okay, Dhaka. You will select your time zone. So everything is okay, and I'm good with this setup settings. Lot size 50, no, 100. Okay, okay. Spread fixed. Let's make it real value. Variable, no, fixed variable, because the spread is not suitable. The simulation spread is not suitable for me. That's why I use fixed spread. So let's start. Okay, we'll go from 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, and weekly charts. So, wow, what is just happening here? 4 hour, daily, weekly. Okay, let's load our template. This is my MT4 favorite template. And 15 minutes. So our time frame is ready, and this is our simulator. Let's open the session. So also session tab is ready. Okay, everything is ready. So this is Friday. So let's move our candle towards pre-London. So 1 hour before London open. So this is Friday. So if we look at weekly is super bullish. If we look at daily, okay, previous daily closed bearish and current daily getting rejection from here. So this is a zone important area. If we look at 4 hour, wow, 4 hour is getting rejection from this area. So okay, let's mark the 4 hour support here. This is our 4 hour support area. And previous 4 hour closed without any bottom wick, so there is high chance that current to 4 hour candle may be close above the resistance, then market can be pushed up. Because of our daily is bullish, if it's want to push down, the market should close below the support area in 4 hour. But if we look at daily, no, 1 hour, okay, 1 hour, this is also 1 hour resistance area, and this is our another 1 hour resistance. So let's mark the 1 hour resistance here, and we should adjust the support. So this is our support right now. If we let's move towards 30 minute. Okay, in 30 minute, what is happening here? This is our support zone. From this support to this area, this is just 30 pips. If we mark the 18 candle, this already moved like 60 pips. So the range is too small, and then there is another 40 pips. The range is too small for me, so it's better to look at 1 hour. This is a clean range, and 1 hour, this is 47 pips range. Okay, if 30 minutes, this is our support. So let's start the simulation. So simulation is started. So I'll risk here just how much money I have? $1,000. Okay, I'll risk here just $20 or $10. Okay, $20. This is $1,000. So I'll risk here $10, $20. Okay, very nice. Let this candle close. So this is pre-London session, and this was our consolidation area. So the area was 110 pips. In this consolidation area, market also create a consolidation zone at this area. So there was high chance if this candle close above the resistance area, there was high chance that current candle can be create a lower wick then push up. So if at this point we should look at 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes we look that this candle don't have any upper wick, and also this candle closed bearish. So if current candle should push up, this candle should close a strong bullish candle, then there is high chance that next candle this market will push up. So right now there is no trade for me. I'm just waiting here. This is pre-London. Let the market move. This is not our trade. Okay, 15 minute just closed. If we look at the 15 minute, previous 15 minute candle closed bullish, but not a strong bullish candle. So I'm not comfortable to take a buy at this area. If this candle closes as strong bullish, then I maybe I would buy here. So okay, candle just closed, and this is the London session just opened. What market can do at this area? So we should look at 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and also should look at daily. Daily is bullish, 4 hour is bullish, 1 hour, previous 1 hour candle closed bullish, and current 1 hour is also just opened. So in 30 minutes, this is a rejection area, and this candle is not a strong bullish candle. So that means that if current candle create a upper wick then break of the previous candle low, then there is high chance that market can be pushed down. This is 30. Oh wow, this is only 32 pip range. So I really don't want to take this trade here, but this will be a very great impulse entry. So market once it break previous candle low, and if it break again, then there is high chance that market will push down. But there is another chance that market can be pushed up because of for this 1 hour candle closed bullish and market moving up. So I'm waiting for this candle to close above the resistance area. And if current candle break previous candle low again, there is high chance that market will push down. Okay, look how previous 15-minute candle closed. Previous 15-minute candle closed strong bearish below the support area, not below the support area. This is just closed in this resistance area. But if current candle break all of these lows, there is high chance that market will push down. Okay, at this point, if current candle break all of these lows, there is high chance that market will push down. This was a very good setup, but right now it is consolidating here. In 30-minute previous candle is not a strong bearish candle, but also there is high chance that if current candle close all of the lows, the market can be pushed down. But 1 hour closed bullish, very nice. So there is high chance that current right now market can be pushed up and touch the level, then market can be pushed down. What I say. So market just pushes up, broke, touch the level, and market is pushing like 13. Wow, wow, 37 views. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. There is huge rejection, so clean range above. Wow, rejection, rejection. So I think better to wait for goodbye above this area. This is all of these are the rejections level. In higher time frame, this is our not a bearish trend. The trend is bullish, but at this bullish area, we can take look for sell. Right now, we should look for buys only. Let the market move. Let the market move. Okay, our trading London session trading time just finished. So previous candle closed bearish. So we can take a sell. We should look for buy from the support area. So let's move towards the pre-New York. So this is the New York session, and this is our resistance, and this is our support. This is also our support. How the candle is moving? This was, or maybe this was a ranging trade. Okay, there was no setup for us. Market moving down. Let's forward the candle. Okay. No sell, no buy. Market just moving. New York just open and market trying to previous candle close strong bearish. We look at 50-minute. This is the rejection area. But if current candle create a upper wick and then break off all of the lows, then there is high chance that market will push down because of previous candle don't have any upper wick. But I don't want to take a sell here because this is not a suitable range for me to take a sell. So it just broke the lows and market just got 19 pips and duration was 20 pips with just 21 pips. This is high chance that market will push down right here and can be pushed more down. This is based on experience. I'm looking the chart like 6 years. Wow, maybe this is a news. Okay, this was the news, unemployment claims. So no trade for us in Friday. Wow, how the market is moving down. Just look at the candle. Okay, that was not my trading day. Let's move to the next day. Trading not means that you should take a trade, and if you don't take a trade, you lose, you don't gain your account. That's wrong. I didn't take trade because of there wasn't my setup, proper setup for take a trade. That's why I didn't take trade. Many people took trade. That's why market moved. Otherwise, that there is no way to move the market. Their setup works and they took trade. Their setup appears. That's why they took trades. But our setup isn't appear here. That's why I didn't want to take trade. So I moved to the next day. So 1 hour before the London Open, and weekly is super bullish. Daily, wow, this is the daily. So this is a tough situation in daily. Okay, let's move towards the 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hour just broke a break and close above a resistance zone. So there is high chance that 4 hour candle can be pushed down, create a support, then market will be push up. So if we look at 1 hour, okay, in 1 hour, this is our resistance area. So 1 hour just closed you far away from the zone, from the resistance area. So resistance becomes support right now. So market should push down, create a support, then market can be push up. In 30 minutes, so let's move the okay, in 30 minutes, this is our resistance. So in every time frame, what we saw that market should push down, create a support, then it will be push up or create some sort of continuation, trend continuation setup like this, then market will be push up. Let's see what happened. 15 minutes is continuously pushing up. So this is not our trade. So I'm just reading the candle and nothing else. Previous candle don't have any upper week. So close. Okay. No trade for me till now. So market should come down. Okay, let's forward the candle. Previous candle closed bullish. Should look for 15 minutes is till now bullish. I really don't want to take a buy at a flying rocket. Wow, 15 minutes just closed bearish. And uh, if current candle close above the previous 15-minute candle, then there is high chance that market will push up. So this is a trend continuation setup here. Market is continuously pushing up, and this candle create a bearish candle, but rejection from the bottom side. So there is high chance if current candle create a lower wick and break all of the high, there is high chance the next target will be like this is 28.96. There is high chance that next candle will push towards the 2690 level. Okay, 2900 and 2905. In this type of situation, I always watch that market move like 100 pips. It will touch like 2905 or 2904. There is high chance. So if current candle break all of these highs, my SL will be just 45 pips and TP will be here like 70-80 pips. Because of this is London open session, let's this candle create a wick first and then break up previous candle highs. Okay, slowing the speed. This is the trend. Wow, it just moved like 6 pips. Okay, uh, by limit. Okay, if market come back like this area, then my buy will be execute and my TP will be like 29.4, 2904. Okay, if market push up, then it will be push up. Okay, my trade just executed. Okay, at this point, I'll manage my risk. If current candle break its own low, then I will close half. I just risk here $20. Like how many lot size? 0.04 lot. Okay, and I'll also close my 90% at 2900 this point. Okay, market just pushed 25 pips, and so at this area if it's come back to its entry price, I'll close half. So I'll manage my risk. Okay, it's just coming back to its entry price and I'm closing half, and again I'll close another half if current candle break its own low. My SL was 48 pips, market moved 25 pips, and it's just stuck here. So for this candle to close by the last 1 minute. Okay, this candle just closed. If we look at 15-minute, previous candle closed above the resistance, and this is a bearish candle. So this trade is running, and there is high chance if current candle create a weak and don't break previous candle low and break its own open, that market will be push up. There is high chance. So let it create a week first 1 or 2 minutes, spend 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, it's just moving up. So I'll enter here another position. My SL will be previous candle low and TP will be the same area. And for my second trade, I'll close 80 to 90% at the previous candle week high. Okay, this candle just pushed here, and I should move my SL to break even, and I should close here just 80%. I don't want to see how much this pips is. I am just executing my plan, and this SL to this low. Okay, it just previous. So market is right now at 2900 point, and at this point I'll close the first trade half. So 0.01 lot and SL to break even. So right now the trade is free. Okay, we just gained $41 in a single trade. So in a $1000 we just gain 4% in a single trade. So let's move toward the next session. If it is a live trading session, I don't want to trade in this that day because of I just gained 4%. That is huge. How much I risk for $40? 1:1. Risk $40, gain $40. So let's view the candle from daily super bullish. Okay, at this area, previous 4-hour candle closed without any upper wick. So there is high chance that current 4-hour candle can be pushed up and get rejection at this area. So we should mind this. Remember this. So market is bullish 1 hour. In 1 hour, market just created a resistance area, and this 1 hour candle closed below the previous 1 hour candle week. So there is high chance that market can be reject from this area. So if market want to push up, market should break all of these highs. So let's move towards the 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, what the 30 minutes is showing us. So in 30 minutes, the market, this is the market created a resistance at this area, and this is a support. Sorry, this is our support area. So this is the resistance area, and where market got rejection from 2906 level. So this candle closed below this rejection area. So at this point, if market want to push up, this candle should create a lower wick, then break all of these highs. Then market will push up. So the next target will be 2910, 2910. So this is like 40 pips, and our let's see how much our SL will be. Okay, this candle just wow, how it just moving. Let's backward. Okay, okay. In first, this is the first 2 minutes just went gone. So this candle don't have any lower wick. So let it create a lower wick first. In this type of candle who don't have lower wick, there is 50-50 probability. If we take a trade, there is 50-50 probability that market will push up, or 50% chance that market can be get rejection from this area. So we should look at 1 hour. This is a fresh 1 hour, so this candle should create a lower wick first. Okay, very nice. Red market just moved up without creating any type of lower week. So let the candle move. What I said. Just look here. What I said. There is high chance that market can be calm down for create a lower week. Okay, it just created a lower week but didn't touch the support became resistance becomes support area. The candle should touch this area, then it should move up. But it's already moved. Okay, 30-minute candle close, previous 30-minute candle close, and this is a resistance. So at this point, we need a strong bullish candle to close, then we can go for buy. Otherwise, there is no buy for us. So let's move toward the 50 minutes. What the 50 minutes is doing? This is our resistance. So 150 minute candle should close above the resistance. Then we can go for buy. We can't sell at this area. Only sell is valid below 29.35, 28.94. So previous 15-minute candle closed bearish, but if current 15-minute candle close above the resistance, there is high chance that next candle will be push up. So it's just breaking all of the bearish candle low. Oh, okay, let the candle move. Just last 5 minutes. I don't want to take in this type of situation. Wow, how the candle just closed. Okay, we can take a sell here at this moment. I really don't want to take a sell here. Till now, I'm looking for buys. No sell for me. Okay, market just moved. No problem. This is not our trade. This candle should close. Is there any news? Uh, mm, okay, this is not a strong news. Oof. Okay, I'm just forwarding the candle. Okay. Okay, market just pushed up and closed above the resistance area, but closed here far away from the resistance area. So our trading time just finished. So let's move to the next day, pre-London session. So this is our pre-London session. So if we look at the weekly is super bullish, in daily is bullish, but previous daily closed far away from the zone, then there is high chance that daily can be pushed down. So okay, if daily candle want to push down, the forward candle should close below the support area. Then market will push down. So till now I'm looking for buys. For our candle can be created support here, then market will be push can be push up. So if we look at 1 hour, okay, 1 hour is in a consolidation zone. I don't want to lose my account in a consolidation zone. Okay, in 30 minutes, this is full of zones. Okay, zone. I don't think we should take a trade here, but there is this good resistance here. So market should close above the resistance, then there is high chance that market can be pushed up to fill the left side clean range. But why daily market can be pushed down. Fast forwarding. So London open, but no volume. Market is just consolidating. No buy, no sell. Pre New York. Market is in consolidation zone. This is the support area. Let's forward the. Okay, market just closed. Wow. But this is not our setup for trade. This is our another support in 30 minutes. We should mark both of the support. So market should push up, create a resistance, then market can be pushed down. Daily just flipped, so there is high chance that daily candle can be pushed down like 100 pips for to 150 pips for it as the resistance becomes support area to this area. So for sell, market should push up, create a resistance at this area or create a resistance here. So I'm just fast forwarding the candle. Fast forwarding. Okay. Okay. 30 minute. A strong bearish candle. If market want to push down, market should create a resistance here. So market just break above and break down. Close down. Closed below the support become resistance area. So at this point, if market push up, create weak and break this candle low, there is high chance that market will be pushed down. Our SL will be like 85 pips. Wow. Okay. Daily flipped 4 hour previous 4 hour closed bullish and current 4 hour flipping 1 hour previous 1 hour candle got huge rejections. So let's created a week. So at this point, if it's break previous candle low, okay, 1 hour candle low, there is high chance that market will be pushed down. Okay, it just broke previous candle low. So at this situation, market can be pushed down. Our SL will be below previous candle high. 2 minutes 46 and my SL is here like 80 pips. I'm willing to get this move or 1:1. Okay, market is moving like 35, 38 pips. This is the 80 pips SL. I'm really not confident about this trade, but in daily, the market can be moved down like this area. So I'm holding this trade. My SL is 82 pips. I'll close my 90% position at 1 to 1, and I'll manage my risk if current candle break its own high. Okay, market just moved 41 pips, came back to its open price, and it's trying to break its own high. Okay, once it's tried, second time. Okay, it just broke its own high, and I'm closing my half of the position, and I just closed half and let the market move. Okay, very soon it can be hit my SL. The daily fills the gap with this candle high. No problem, I just manage my risk. So I just stopped out. Okay, in so if current okay, our trading session just wow, that was after our trading session. That's why there wasn't enough volume. It I just forgot it. That's why I took the loss. Really, really bad session. But it's the process. Mm, Last trade. It will be last trade for me for this session, and I'll close the live. So in weekly getting rejection, daily is also got rejection. Current day is bearish. So for our created a resistance area here. For our brook below a support. Okay. In 1 hour there is a resistance area. 30 minutes. Okay, if market got reject from this area, there is high chance that market will be push up, but there was resistance and market closed above the resistance area. Market can be create a support then push up. So here is really confusing. But this is 1 hour also 30-minute rejection area. So if market create a resistance here, there is high chance that market will be pushed down because of also previous forward candle close strong bearish. Okay, 30-minute closed. Strong bullish, no problem. This candle should close. Waiting for current candle to close. 15-minute candle close bearish. Waiting for this 30-minute candle to close. Okay, 30 minute just closed. Okay, at this resistance area, 30-minute candle just closed in 1 hour. The previous 1 hour candle closed a weak 1 hour candle in 4 hour. Previous 1 hour, 4 hour is a strong 4 hour candle, and current 1 hour candle, 4 hour candle getting rejection from this area in daily. Daily is bearish. So this is the London open session. So at this session, if current candle create a upper weekend break, I don't want to lose the week because of its 21 pips. If current candle create a upper weekend break its own low, enter for this trade. Okay, it just directly, wow, it just directly pushing down. Okay, let it create a upper week fast. I think I should enter here. No, let it create a week first. Okay, it just create a week, and I, oh, okay, it just pushed down without giving me entry. Okay, if I took enter, I just got 41 pips. Wow, very nice. Okay, 15-minute candle just closed. Let's say, wow, 15-minute can close strong bearish, but there is huge 15-minute rejections here. So I really don't want to take a sale here. I just want to wait here for close below the support area. Okay, our trading session just finished. We could take a trade here for DVs. Okay, we are right now in pre-New York session, and if we look at the pre-New York daily broke previous daily 4 hour broke previous 4 hour. Wow, 1 hour. Okay, previous 1 hour candle closed without any bottom wick, but in 30 minutes. Okay, there is our 30 minutes support area. So market should close below the support or move up, create a resistance, then market should push down. So fast forwarding, moving to the next bar. Okay, no, 15 minutes is not looking good. In 30 minutes, okay, this is the New York Open session. Let the 15 minute, wow, how the 15 minute candle just closed. Okay, wow, this was maybe a news, and that's why market just pushed down like this. Very nice. Right, this was a high news. Okay, we done. Wow, how the candle got rejection. Huge rejection, huge, huge, huge. So this was a 1 hour good trade, but I don't want to take this type of trade because of the SL is 48 pips, 64 pips, and got huge rejections. So I'm just closing all of my tabs and I'll save this 1000 to 5000 target. Mm, mm. Okay, I just saved this. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.